guys, what's up? It's your girl Tiffy G of AT Beauty, and today we are going to get into beauty hacks for the face. Yes, we're going to be doing hacks on the face to complete a whole makeup look, so stay tuned. Let's get into this. So we're going to be doing 4 things, 4 hacks on the face. Brows, we're going to do foundation, and we're going to do contouring, and we're going to do lips. Oh, and eyes. So we're just, you know what, let me scratch that. We're not going to count the hacks. I'm basically going to do the hacks, and then when I'm done, in the description box, I'll list like exactly what hacks I did, but you'll be able to follow along, I'm sure. Y'all, my group, my tribe is really smart. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing we're gonna do is the brows, and basically just to run through the hack for the brows, you're going to go in, they suggest, and do concealer on the brow, blending that concealer out onto the brow. Then you're gonna go in with whatever eyeliner you use, pomade that you use, brow powder that you might use, whatever you use to fill in your brows, you're gonna go in and fill in your brows. Once you fill in your brows, then you're gonna go in again with the concealer and carve out like you normally do to clean up your brows, and it's supposed to give a better look. This is from TikTok, guys. A lot of these hacks are from TikTok, so I didn't come up with this. It's been trending, so I figured I'd try it. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna brush my brows up using a spoolie brush. If y'all don't know what a spoolie brush is, it's just a little brush that usually people use to kind of coif their brows to get it all going in the right direction before you get started. Now I'm gonna do one the hack, and I'm gonna do one the way I normally do it. The way I normally do it, just to run through real quick, is I go in and fill in, I brush it up like I did with the spoolie brush. I fill it in with, I use actually eyeshadow to fill in my brows. I'm very unorthodox when it comes to filling out my brows. But right now I'm using eyeshadow, so I fill it in with the eyeshadow, and then I go in with the concealer and clean it up, and boom, bam, I'm done. I usually set it sometimes with a little powder, translucent powder afterwards, especially if I'm going out, so it has more lastability throughout the day. And yeah, that's it. But like I said, with theirs, it's kind of like a 4-step process, but you know, they do it a little bit different. So anyway, I'm talking too much, let's get into it. So again, brushing the brows up. So I'm gonna start on my brow. I'm gonna go in, like I said, once I brush my brow up, I'm gonna go in, and I'm using BSG. This is Juviasplace. This is her nudes palette. And, excuse me, this is not the nudes palette. I'm sorry, this is the Vanessa X palette for Juviasplace. So I'm going in with BSG, which is the brown, as you can see. And then I'm just gonna go in like I traditionally do and follow the outline of my natural brow and just fill all of that in. Okay, so this was the first step for my brow. Like I said, the way I normally do it, I just went in and filled it in. Now I'm gonna start on the hack one. So they suggested with your concealer of your choice that you usually use, you're going to go in and apply that to the brow. And then, let me just get a brush. You're gonna apply that to the brow, and then you're gonna blend that out. So this is the same thing I just showed you. Some just spilled out, so I put it in the pod. And this is actually LA Girl. This is their Pro Concealer. This is actually Toffee. I normally use Fawn, but I ran out of Fawn, so I'm using Toffee. So you're just gonna get some of that product on the brush, and you're gonna go in, and they said you just put that on the brow. Oh God. And then we're going to use a blending brush, and we're gonna blend that out. Which is kind of interesting because this reminds me like when you were doing, you're blocking out your brows to draw a completely different brow. Usually like when you use the Elmer's purple glue stick, I'll do this, but I won't do it like in this technique where I put this on first. I'll do the glue stick first, but so yeah, I just blended that out. Okay. And now they said to go in and fill in the brow. So I'm gonna go in the brow. like, you know, the shadow doesn't glide the same, I'd say. Like, it's kind of like resistance, because like it's kind of dried that section out by adding the concealer on first, but we're gonna go with it. So I'm just gonna make sure I get this to kind of the desired shape. Okay, so again, this is my method. This is with the hack method. And my technique, which is to go in with a flathead brush, and I'm just going to carve out the brow. Actually, this is not the brush. I actually got the wrong brush, but it's okay. So now on this side, what was the next step? Is it powder and fill in? Okay, so yeah, same thing. You're gonna go in, and now you're going to, they said, use the concealer and carve out this as well. Got the wrong shade in this. This is actually advertised on social media. I saw this on IG, and it's supposed to be like a true match to your skin, but yeah, that didn't really work out. It kind of skips ahead here because, like I said, my video cut out. I was having issues with my camera, but essentially the wingtip that you see I created, the hack is that you'll use eyeshadow and go in with that, and then you create the cat eye and the wingtip. So then I was just showing, after I was over that, because I don't like the way that came out, I went in and applied my lashes. Those are the Franklyn lashes. I purchased that from a black vendor that I support and really love. Her name is Aaliyah, and her line is DIY Hair Supply, so those were lashes from her line. This is just a secondary addition to the hack, now going in just to highlight underneath the eye, and basically that completed that look. So this is the finalized look of the hacks that I did: brows, eyes, nose, face, mouth, and nose. And yeah, overall I think the look is decent. I'm satisfied with it. There were certain things, like I said, I would do, and there's others I wouldn't do. The hack I liked the most, honestly, was the foundation. I thought that using the lipstick for the foundation, oh yes, that was one of the hacks that I didn't show. I'm sorry, I'm skipping ahead. Is you're taking lipstick and you're basically putting it like around your T-zone, so like your cheeks and the forehead, as well as the bridge of the nose, and then you go in with your concealer on top of that. So I actually liked that hack. It did give a nice undertone to the foundation, so I would try that again. There was also a lip hack, a lipstick hack that I did that honestly got edited out. I'm sorry, guys. So basically that was me basically going in with your lipstick, but you're applying it in a blotting kind of motion. But before you do that, you would use concealer on the lips, then dab on whatever lipstick of your choice was, and then you take lip gloss and you just apply that to the top and the bottom of your lip, as well as the crease in the middle, and then you just blot that all over, and it gave a really nice gloss without it being overbearing. So that's another hack that was featured in this look. So yeah, overall the hacks that were done was brows, you know, the shaping of that and how that's done, the eye wingtip, how that was done. Also, I did contouring on the nose. It was just a technique on how to do the tracing on the nose. basically like this kind of triangle shaping in the inner corners, and then you draw the line down on the sides, and then you do shading underneath on the tip of your nose. That I feel didn't do much of a difference from the way I normally contour my nose, so I definitely won't be using that again. But I mean, you know what, might work for some people. Everybody has different shaped noses. So yeah, overall, like I said, it was it came out, the overall hacks and the overall beauty look that came out as a result of that wasn't bad. So yeah, I think it's kind of cute. So yeah, I'm also featuring my hair here, guys. Support allthingsbeauty.com, allthingsbeauty222 this unit is my Oshi Natural headband wig. I do have this available now. It isn't listed on my website, which is what I'm saying here, but is available for purchase. So feel free to hit me up regarding that. I'll put all of the info in the description box below. And yeah, I just really like this. This is a get up and go kind of unit. This is for everyone, particularly my girls that like aren't hairnistas, you know, where they, you know, don't really do hair. This is very quick, very efficient when you got to get out there and be on the move, but you want to slay, you want to give a look, and I'm all about giving a look, y'all already know. So yeah, and I cater to the middle class American, and I have some things on the upper end of that, but you know, I'm a mom of a 9-year-old son, so I like efficiency too. Sometimes I don't have time to really do my hair, so I just like to get up and be able to go, and this unit definitely is the bee's knees. So it comes, like I was saying, with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it has the adjustable sizing band, so you can, you know, adjust it to your size head. I just wanted to show you the back here, length and texture, very beautiful unit, soft, easy to comb, very minimal shedding. Again, like I said, I have this in other colors. I will list that in the description box below. I'm just showing you here the texture as well. Like I said, very lightweight unit, perfect for the spring and summertime, which we're in now. Very easy to comb through. This is just, like I said, this is definitely, I feel like, a staple that all you ladies out there and some of y'all guys, if you're interested in having, this is the unit to have in rotation. And like I said, again, I'm just showing you here, it sheds very minimally. So yeah, again, if you're interested in this, hit me up. You can drop me a message down below, or you can DM me. Like I said, I'll link all of my social media platforms in the description box below. Again, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. It's really, really important that I get feedback. I want to know what you guys like. I want to know if you felt this video, what I could have added, any suggestions that y'all have on future content that y'all would like to see from this channel. And also give me your DIY hacks, any hacks that y'all might try, or you might have tried and were like, oh my god, that was crazy and I'll never do it again. I want to know it all. I'm interested. I'm a free-flowing spirit. I'm a Gemini, for those who are curious. My birthday's 6/16, FYI. So yeah, I'm just open to spontaneity and just you know, really creating a community of hair, beauty, and overall beauty that you guys can enjoy, and we can have a community where we can speak openly about that and share things with each other. So guys, follow, thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm really excited to have relaunched this channel, and I'm excited for this platform to grow with you guys and just share as much content as possible. So until next time, my beautiful people, stay beautiful. Bye.